Hello world! Hello to all the visionaries out there. So, in our video today, so pag-uusapan natin paano ba magsimula ng YouTube channel in this year 2022 at paano mag-decide kung what your YouTube channel should about or should be about. So, meron tayong mga 9 step na ituturo ko sa inyo or ibabahagi ko sa inyo. So, let's dive into our video. Alright, so before we will dive into our first step, this channel is all about online business and freelancing business. So let's put our dream into reality. Okay, so number one step natin is para makagawa ka na o makapag-start ka na ng yung YouTube channel is to choose what your YouTube channel is all about. So ano ba yung all about ng YouTube channel mo? Ano yun? So, you make a lot of ideas. Para yung mga idea na yun, yung mga gustong-gusto mo, yung interested ka. So, ano yun? Yung gustong-gusto mo ginagawa at passionate mo na ginagawa. So, kahit pag-usapan mo siya buong maghapon, no? Talagang marami kang masasabi kasi nga gustong-gusto mo siyang ginagawa. Or it is your passion, no? So, make a list of ideas and choose ideas, no? And mas maganda kung 1 to 2 ideas so that pag naubusan ka na sa isa, pwede kang gumawa ng ibang video dun sa isang ideas mo. Yan. So, that is our number 1 step. And the number 2 is who will you want to watch your YouTube channel? So, kailangan meron kang specific o tinatawag nilang niche, no, na mga audience. Yan. So, alam nyo, the more specific, mas maganda. Hindi yung kahit sino pwedeng manood. And this YouTube channel is all about for G12 people, dun sa mga G12 visionaries, sa mga visionaries na nangangarap at gustong may gawin, no, sa pagbabago, no, pagbabago ng bansa, pagbabago ng kanilang pamilya, pagbabago ng kanilang community. So, this is all about for G12 Philippines. So, you want to be specific. Kailangan be specific ka. Ikaw, kunyari, magaling ka sa halaman. So, you want to be specific sa mga mahihilig maghalaman. So, yun yung sasabihin mo o yun yung mga target na audience mo o target mo mga viewers. So, yun, kailangan you need to be clear on who you want to watch at yung mga gusto mong tulungan. So, ako bilang business, having an online business, I want to help those G12 visionaries na magkaroon din sila ng yung kanilang mga businesses, dream na business nila sa online at sa freelancing businesses, gusto ko na maging reality. So, I will teach them and I will show to them on how to do that using all my ideas, using all my work na ginawa ko na. So, number 3 step na tayo, you need to have to brainstorms, no? Na maraming mga ideas. Doon sa number 2 step at number 1 step natin, nagkaroon ka na ng generating ideas, mag-brainstorm ka ng 100 ideas. So, ulitin ko, para magkaroon ka ng maraming ideas, okay, so balik tayo, you can search on your relevant audience, relevant topic, or relevant interest, no, doon sa mga kapwa mo YouTubers. Kasi sa dami ng mga YouTubers ngayon, makakakuha ka ng mga ideas sa kanila. But again, palagi naman na sinasabi to, totoo naman yun, kapag copy-paste, alam na alam nila. Pero pag sarili mo at binigyan mo ng flavor, yung spices, di ba, sumasarap siya lalo at naiintindihan nila. So you need to brainstorm at least, sabihin na natin mga 10 to 20 ideas, no, na mga videos so that dun sa 10 to 20 ideas na yun, hindi ka mawawalan ng mga i-film mo na mga videos. Okay, so And then yung number 4, so gusto ko munang i-encourage kayo na you need to choose your equipment to starting out, no? Again, you can go back to this video, no? Pwede niyo siyang panoorin ulit na pwede kang mag-start sa kahit anong equipment na meron ka. So, nasabi ko dito sa video na ito, nag-start talaga ako. Hanggang ngayon, gumagamit pa rin ako ng cellphone. Pero, nag-start na ako na mag-isip na mag-invest konti-konti, no? Kaya ng budget muna. So, kahit hindi ka muna bumili ng ganun kagandang camera. So, you need to start what you have. So, if you have your smartphone or iPhone or whatever phone, di ba? Pwede mong gamitin yon. So, number 5 step na tayo. Yan. So, number 5 step, decide a filming time. So, ako, most of the time, aminado ako doon, yung talagang free time ko because I am a mom and I have something to do in ministry and in home. So, bago muna ako talaga mag-film, muna ako ng time kung ano yung free time. Pero, most of the time, kailangan before Tuesday and before Saturday or Friday. So, yun yung mga ginawa. Pero, binabatch ko na yung mga ideas ko so that if I have a lot of time, I can film more videos. Yun. So, ano pa? And then number 6, you can create your YouTube channels. So creating your YouTube channels, no? And doon sa pag-create mo ng YouTube channel, you need to have a Gmail. Dapat meron kang Gmail account. So sa Gmail account, kailangan yun sa paggawa ng YouTube channel. And then, after that, isang technique na kailangan kong i-share sa'yo ay you need to have a banner, no? Magkaroon ka ng banner and you need to design the banner. So, I will film a video and then i-ano natin sa description yung link para pwede kang magkaroon ng idea kung paano gumawa ng banner, ng tutorial how to make a banner on the description below. So, ang gagawin natin, it's all free, you can check that. And ang gagawin mo, pwede kang gumawa sa Canva. Yan. So, pwede mong gawin siya sa Canva kasi kahit yung free account mo na. So, gawin mo yung channel banner mo, i-design mo on how you want to see the people. Kasi kapag nag-click sila dun sa YouTube channel mo, makikita nila yung kanilang YouTube channel. Yung YouTube banner. So, parang yung sa Facebook page, yung tawag dito, background or yung mo sa likod. Yan. So, after your profile picture yun naman. So, para mas clear sa kanila. So, and then, number 7 is film your first video. Yan. So, you need to film your first video. Kailangan ma-film mo yung unang video mo. So, para ganun, again, ulitin ko, you need to be confident in the camera and yung mata mo kailangan doon sa lens mismo para hindi ka pag nakatingin ka talaga sa mga viewers mo, parang kinakausap mo sila. No? Kasi kailangan talaga kinakausap mo yung viewer. So, hindi pwedeng dito kasi nga pag nagsasalita ako, hindi ako nakaka-connect sa'yo. Pero if I will face the lens, no, parang nakakausap kita. So, okay? So, and then number 8 pa natin na step is stay consistent. You need to stay consistent. Yan. So, kailangan consistent. If once a week mo na yung kaya mo, gawin mo. So, ako, I decided this year na makakagawa ko talaga at least lagi ng 2 videos a week. Why? Because I want to be consistent, because I want to grow my YouTube channel so that I can reach more people na pwede kong tulungan. So, yun, you need to be consistent in your filming videos, in your content, in sharing your ideas, in sharing your knowledge, in sharing your business, in sharing your passion, no, in sharing your wisdom to other people and to those people you want to help. And so that is our step number 8. Alright, so 9 step natin is you need to better to start now. Kasi nga, if may mga ideas ka na, start to do it, di ba? So sabi nga, mas maganda na yung nagsisimula kaysa wala ka pang sinisimulan. So, it's better to start now. So, start your YouTube channel and share your ideas to your audience, to your desired viewers na talagang gustong-gusto mong tulungan. So, that is our video for today. And again, lagi naman na gusto ko talaga maka-encourage, gusto ko maka-inspire na gawin mo na ngayon, no? At merong mangyayari because if you will stay consistent and if you will stay, organize mo lahat, pwede mo naman gawin lahat. And darating yung time, mababurn out ka, it's okay. You need to push on yourself to do it again and again and then start ka uli na ano mo yung vision mo, bakit ka nagsimula na ganyan. Bakit mo isinimulan yan? Kasi nga, mayroon sa puso mo na gustong gawin kasi nga gusto mong tumulong. So ako, nagbabalik ako dun sa, nga, I need to do it. I need to do this kasi nga, I want to help many people as I can. Especially those visionaries people, those cheatable people na gustong-gusto mag-business but they don't know how. Okay, so that's it for our video today and I hope na enjoy mo. If you enjoy it, again, no, nakita ko ulit, gusto ko na i-subscribe mo yung ating YouTube channel and click the notification below so that lagi ka na-notify every time na meron tayong new videos and so that we can spread all these videos and help as many as we can sa mga digital people like us. And also, let's bring hope and share these ideas that we can make our ministry at the same time we can have our own business. Okay, so that's it for our video and you can check another video on our YouTube channel. Bye! See you! God bless!